All right, kiddos, so you watched a video about prime or composite, and you probably heard about it from third grade as well. So I don't think it's something that's new to you, but I really want to go over this slide with you to make sure you really know what prime and composite are. So in this slide, they're asking you to decide if a number is prime or composite, and then you need to explain how you know. So let's talk about that for just a minute. If a number is prime, and don't forget there's a slide for you to look at with the definition in case you forget, and you can always rewatch the video. But if a number is prime, it only has two factors, 1 and itself. Now remember, factors when multiplied create a number. So all of the factors of the number, let's pick an easy one, 10, are 1, because 1 times 10, those are factors, but you have to have more than 1 in itself. 2 times 5, I know that math fact. So I know 2 and 5 are factors. Now, I don't have to go through all of the factors of a number to find out if it's prime or composite. I just need to know if there is another factor pair other than 1 and the number I'm trying to find. And if there is, it's automatically composite. So like for number 1, it says, is 42 prime or composite? Now, if you know your math facts well, which I encourage you to keep practicing them, you might know that there's another factor pair besides 1 times 42. I know that 6 times 7 equals 42. So since that's another number factor pair, I should say, that equals 42, already I've solved the problem. This number is composite. And you know what my evidence is? And how I know is this number sentence right there. 6 times 7 equals 42 is my evidence. That's how I know. So I'm going to write here that it's composite. So I answered the question. Oops, but I spelled it wrong. And I know that because 6 times 7 is 42. That's my evidence. So you have 3 more to do, 13, 57, and 80. And I want you to use the same process that I just used. I first thought about my math facts. If you can't think of any math facts that you know, then it might be prime. So think of it that way. And then you would write prime. And how do you know? Well, because there are no other numbers that can be multiplied that equal that number. Try it out on these next 4 problems. Don't forget, if you forget any of the things that I've said, you can re-listen to this. You can also feel free to watch the video about prime and composite. All right, you guys, it's your turn to practice. Go for it.